So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to delete your YouTube account on mobile phone. So it can be used in Android as well as the iOS. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your YouTube application, and then on the bottom right side corner, you need to select the profile icon. Just select it down, and then from here, you need to select the Google account. Just select the Google account and then scroll it down, and you will probably find the data and privacy. So select this option. All right, then scroll it down a little bit more. All right, you don't need to select this option called delete your Google account. Rather than that, you need to go with the delete Google service. So select this option, and then it will ask you your Google password. So simply type your password. Alright, right after that, you will find out this option YouTube right over here, and you will find the delete button. So tap on the delete option, and then simply go and select any of the option. Like I want to permanently delete my content, so you can select this each of option and delete the entire YouTube. So that's how you can simply delete your YouTube account on Android or iOS. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll catch you next time.